I could really get used to this, having your favorite coffee shop and other stores just within walking distance of the house. That just makes a lot of sense.
It's hard to believe we're only a block away from Mitch's house.
Yeah.
It's part of a growing trend across the country. It's called traditional neighborhood development. The idea behind it is creating neighborhoods like they used to be before we had automobiles.
Right.
In fact, Georgia Tech has a study where they find people who live in these neighborhoods are 20% less likely to use their car, which means, of course, saving gas.
Sure.
And we're helping out the environment,
Plus,
too.
you save a lot of time. Instead of looking at the windshield for several hours a day, you're able to enjoy this. Now, when we spoke to Walter earlier, he talked about how they used a lot of recycled materials in some of the common spaces. I know that's also a big part of green building.
It certainly is. In the house that we were in, the hardwood floors are actually made from reclaimed lumber. And the driveway is made from ground up asphalt where it's in a pebble form that allows the water to percolate through so you don't have stormwater problems.
Oh, okay. I guess that helps a lot. Now, what are some of the other aspects of green building that they've embraced around here?
Well, here's one of the favorite one of most homeowners is durability. It means you don't have to spend a lot of time painting your house or maintaining it. A number of the homes here have features like fiber cement. What's great about that? Termites can't eat it.
Right.
You paint it, the paint lasts sometimes 15 to 20 years.
Yeah, we're seeing that being used all over the place. And of course, the durability of brick and stucco, you can't really beat that. Hey, Jim, thanks for showing us around this neighborhood and kind of getting us up to date on some of these green building practices. And hey, thanks for a pretty good cup of coffee, too.
My pleasure.